Welcome, today I'm showing how to change screen recorder quality into a POCO C50. First of all, open your top navigation bar and find here screen record button. If you don't have this button here, you need to find your button edit, tap it, then scroll down, find this button screen recorder in this block, gray, and then press and hold like this and drag to top to add. For example, like this hot post. So tap done for save. Now we add and then press and hold for this button. And here we got our screen record settings. So, and here we got video quality option. Tap it, and here we can change 20, 16, 8, 6, 4, or 1 megabits per second. For example, I wanna 16, tap it, and it's saved automatically. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.